Don't lie, you are guilty. You are using this cream as a face cream. Anyway, this is what I'm giving you as organic face cream. Hello beautiful people, hope you're having a great day. Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Akimbule, and today's video is a skincare video. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like it here. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Instagram at Lizzie Akimbule. So today we're going to be talking about all you need to know about using this product, Carotone. Okay, anything Caro, I don't like Caro, but I think this will be useful. So let's get into the video. We're going to be talking about this product, Carotone B.S.C. The B.S.C stands for Black Spot Corrector. It is written there. The Rhodes Maxi Effect, Concentrated Formula, Light Natural Carotone, Collagen Formula. When you open it, this is what it looks like. It has like a paper. They also have a paper inside of it. It looks like, yeah, it looks really rough right now because I already opened it, and it shows it has carrots. Yeah, carrot, we always have carrots. Anyways, I can see elbow, I can see nail, dark knuckles, lighten dark knuckles, DSP. They wrote the ingredients. Yeah, first of all, if you open this Carotone, it smells really harsh. It smells really harsh. It smells like carrots. I don't like how it smells. It smells really harsh. It's really obvious that there are so many ingredients inside. It smells really harsh, like a bleaching cream, and it says apply every day. Wow. Anyway, apply Carotone on your face every day. I know some people use this cream, this small cream here, as their face cream. Don't lie, you are guilty. You are using this cream as a face cream. I'm also using it as my face cream. Yes, I was using it years ago, but I'm no longer using it. You are still using it as a face cream. Yeah, get that your organic face cream and smell it. This is what they're selling. This is what they're giving you as organic face cream. They will add more Carotone inside and they will mix it with some other cream, and then they will sell it. Oh, organic face cream. The next day your face will just white, and before you know, you start noticing eczema. They're giving you Carotone. They're giving you Caro White and Carotone as face cream. Yeah, I talked about one organic face cream in one of my videos. I'll link it in the description, exposing organic brands. I told you that cream that I bought that time, it smells like Caro White Carotone. This soap even smells like Okim. Anyways, people use this as face cream, which is not advisable. It contains hydroquinone, and I won't advise you. It has like good ingredients inside of it, but it contains ash chemical, which is harmful to the face. How would you apply this on your face in the morning and then you go out to work, you come back at night, you still apply it on your face? Some of these people, they will just miss face cream for you, and they will say they don't even know anything about skincare. They will just sell it. I'm guilty, we are all guilty, but we are here to learn. We are here to educate each other every day. Okay, this is not just me talking about this. I also made my research. It is not advisable to apply on the face. It can cause eczema, sunburn. It will definitely react and cause blemishes. I can see you can use this for dark knuckles, dark nail. Yes, I would explain how you can use this cream because it is also good if you use it the right way. It contains kojic acid and collagen, which is good, so would explain how to use this cream in the right way. And we're also going to make a DIY.
So these are the DIY you can use with Carotone to treat skin issues. Carotone, a moisturizing cream, and this is a sugar scrub, the Vit Gold Whitening Coconut Sugar Scrub, and I mixed them all together. I added some salt, I added turmeric, I added almond oil, and I added the ordinary product mixture. You can use this for dark inner thigh and butt acne. You can just apply the Carotone on your dark knuckle to erase the dark knuckle, then use a moisturizing cream, and you go in with the Vit Gold Whitening Scrub just to scrub that part of your knuckle.
Make sure you don't abuse this cream. You can use it for sunburn at night and then you don't use it the next day. You can use it just 3 times in a week or twice a week. This is hydroquinone. You don't have to use it for 2 weeks, then you skip the next month and then you drop it. If you notice any dark spots, just put it on that specific area. Don't always use it. You're not supposed to use this cream on your face, and even if you are using this cream on your face at night or during the day, I won't advise you to use this cream for more than 20 to 24 hours. It will cause redness. I won't advise you to use it every day. You have have to promise it with some natural ingredients to reduce the strength of the concentrated formula in this cream. You can use a moisturizing face cream to mix this cream. You can use Nivea. You can use some natural products to mix this cream. You can use a rice toner if you have a rice toner. You can use natural ingredients like sandalwood powder or rice powder to mix this cream, you know, to reduce the ash ingredients inside. You make sure you apply it on that dark spot. If you have sunburn, just apply it on the sunburn directly, and then you leave for 3 hours or 2 hours and rinse off. You don't apply it during the day. It also clears dark knuckles if you use it the right way. I have a detailed video on how to use Carotone to get rid of dark knuckles. Okay, I use this with a moisturizing cream and the original to get rid of dark spots. That is the original product that acts it to get rid of dark spots. You can also use it with the Merit White or White Merit cleanser to get rid of dark spots. Once you apply it and you notice it is peeling off, you don't apply it again and you continue with your moisturizing cream. Just make sure you check out that detailed video, please. I'll link it in the description below. This cream is just 500 naira. If you live in Nigeria, you can get it anywhere. It is just 500. I don't know if they now sell fake, but I think this is what it looks like. This is the only container and the only branding I've been seeing so far. You can get this to get rid of dark spots, dark tie, dark underarm, and dark knuckles. Just apply it on that specific area for just few days. You don't apply it during the day. You don't have to be consistent with this. It is hydroquinone. You don't have to keep up with this. Just apply it for a few days on your knuckles, on your elbow, and once you notice it's peeling off, you rinse off and you don't apply it anymore. You continue with your moisturizer and then you go back again with this once it stops peeling. I also saw a video of Carotone and Carotone for pink lip balm. Once you apply this on your lip and then you use a scrub, you can use a sugar scrub or your honey. Mix this as your pink lip balm. People use Carotone and scrub for pink lip and it works. I've seen so many videos on how to use this for pink lip balm. Get a scrub, a sugar scrub, a beetroot, and then you mix this on your lip as a pink lip balm. I've seen videos and I watched reviews that it really works. And also Caro White works as pink lip balm. Make sure you don't abuse this cream. Just use it to treat that skin issue, that dark spot, that sunburn on your skin. Make sure you don't apply it directly to your face. Don't apply it all over your face. Just apply it on that dark spot for a few hours and then you rinse off. I hope you find this video helpful. I hope you find it educating. I hope you find this video entertaining. Please make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, thank you for being here. I hope you like it here. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, okay? Share with friends. Hope to see you in more of my videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Lizzie Akimbule. Hope to see you in more of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.